Hey y'all, welcome back to The Chosen One by Ashley. Right now, I'm taking Drew to school. I'm about to give you some candy. Taking him to school right now. Come on, let's go. Stop playing in the water. Yep. Today is a rainy day. Today. And it's okay. I end up wearing my tennis shoes. I should have put my boots on, but that's fine because the tennis shoes high enough. But if it's like this tomorrow, most likely I'm gonna wear my boots. I got some little it look like Nike boots, but it ain't Nike boots though. It's some mountain boots. But yeah, taking him to school right now. Then after I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I got me a sausage, egg, cheese sandwich with a smoothie, and just trying to balance my eating and just trying to eat healthy, because I'm telling you, your health is more important to your body more than anything. It really is. Stop playing in the water. Yep, it's cold out here. Make sure you dress your kids warm. Make sure they have hat and gloves on and they boots. If it's like this tomorrow, we both gonna put the boots on. It's not that bad out here, but it's a lot of little water and stuff. But like I said, it's not really that bad. I'm gonna take him in his school. I gotta pay his daycare fee, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to work. Yep, I'm tired. I didn't want to go to work today because it don't even make no sense. My son came home from his dad's house, came home sick, and he was coughing so bad last night. I mean, just coughing stuff out his throat and whatever. And I was like, is he okay? What's going on? And he talking about, my son, he cough a lot, but that's not a cold that he's coughing. Because, like I said, you got to pay attention to your kid's health, and you got to also know your child. My son, he wasn't coughing like that, but when he came back home from his dad's house, he was up there coughing and everything. So I told his dad, I was like, you got to make sure you have his undershirt and everything on. He come back home sick and stuff, and then, the mothers, we got to deal with that stuff. So just make sure you tell your baby father to put their undershirt and stuff that they had on them, and just make sure your kid is dressed appropriately, because some parents don't really care about their kids' health. So just pay attention to it and make sure your child is okay, because like I tell you, you gotta pay attention to your kid health because it's important. They get sicker more than we do, so I try to pay attention to mine as possible. But he doing pretty good. But I'm gonna end up going to CVS Pharmacy to get him some cough medicine, because it sounds like he coughing, got mucus all in his throat. Sometimes I ain't gonna run to the doctor. I'm my son's doctor. You hear me? So y'all have a blessed day. Talk to y'all soon.